Routing optical fibers. Affix temporary labels at both ends of each optical fiber. Protect both ends of an optical fiber. Do not forcibly insert the optical fiber into the corrugated pipe or pull the optical fiber out of the corrugated pipe with the force to avoid damaging the fiber patch cord. Connect the optical fibers to optical ports. Remove the temporary labels and affix engineering labels after connection. On one side of the label, A01010401T indicates that the local end of the optical fiber is connected to optical transmit port 01 on board 04 of subrack 01 in the cabinet in row A and column 01 in the equipment room. On the other side of the label, B01010401R indicates that the other end of the optical fiber is connected to the optical transmit port 01 on board 04 of subrack 01 in the cabinet in row G and column 01 in the equipment room.